Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones Sony. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to turn off these headphones. So at the left ear cup we have power button and you need to press and hold it for at least 2 seconds. Here we go. After that you need to press and hold at the same time power button and also multifunctional button on your right earbud. Right here we have play pause button, this one is multifunctional button, until the LED light right here near to the power button flashed 4 times. So press and hold. Here we go, now you can release your fingers. Then we need to remove this earbuds from your phone and then add it. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. At the device list you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. Now we need to enter prank mode. So press and hold power button until the LED light start flashing blue and red. Here we go. As you can see, we just entered to prank mode. Then you just tap on your headphones at the device list. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.